Hello, and welcome everyone to a new video on your channel, Mr. Tech Tips. Before watching the video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and don't forget also to like this video. In today's video, I will show you how to stop autoplay in Netflix. So to do this, it's very simple. You have just to go and open the Netflix app. Sorry. Let's get back. So it will be like that in front of you. You have to click on My Netflix. And after that, click on your profile name. And after that, click on Manage Profile. And after that, click on the pen of like your avatar. And as you can see, there is autoplay next episode. You can deactivate it like that, and there is autoplay reviews also. You can deactivate it, and like that autoplay will be turned off on your Netflix account. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to like this video, and see you in the next one.